Hi there! You are watching Gizmo Journal. Introducing the Wondershare Filmora mobile app, which is a powerful video editor for your smartphone. In today's episode, we will learn how to create trending TikTok and Reels by mastering fast cuts. Viewers lose attention when your short videos are slow-paced and not dynamic. With fast cuts, make your everyday videos more engaging. Before we learn how to manually edit fast cut videos, there are ready-made templates available in Filmora, which you can use or take inspiration from.
It's a brand new day.
These are some very beautifully made templates, but to edit on your own, there are some simple tips and tricks I will share with you today. First, of course, trim your videos to few seconds at best. Make sure you keep the part you want in your videos. If you're creating hooks for your long video, then also it's useful. Since these are very short clips, my first tip is keep the subject in the middle so that viewers don't miss it. In addition to that, try to maintain less background distractions. For portrait videos, close-ups can make a good impression in fast-cut videos. You can simply zoom into the videos by pinching in. There are some animation templates available that can be used here. These add dramatic effects to your short clips. Cool, right? If you want to create a fast-cut video with your photos, make it dynamic with music and keyframe animations. Add a keyframe at the beginning, then move the playhead to the end, rotate the photo, and zoom a little. This is the result. Adding transition effects can elevate your reels to the next level. For fast cut scenes, there are certain transitions, like zooming in and out, rolling left or right. Dissolve transitions are perfect. Experiment with them. This is how you make your trending videos engaging with fast cuts in the Filmora mobile app. This is the end of today's episode. You are watching Gizmo Journal.